Hey, F Hutton. Hey, F Hutton. Boss man, South Alabama waving, breaker, breaker.
Good evening to you, boss man. I'm gonna wave right back to you. Cause you know why? That old trashy radio you talk on there talks real good up here in Detroit. Have a good day there, Mr. Boss Man. Sounding 10-8 great. E.F. Hutton said it, and I ain't taking it back.
Ain't no doubt, E.F. Hutton. I just want to tell you, man, I got the video rolling. Got you at about 20 dB. And just thought I'd tell you, you need to check this thing out on youtube.com/Big Boss Man Videos. That's Big Boss Man Videos on youtube.com. Think you'll like what you're hearing.
Hey, 10 there, boss man. In the Great Lakes. Hello, Tim. Boss man, I'm doing a little bit of a redesign. So I'm talking on my Muddy Mud station. So it is what it is, boss man. And I appreciate you YouTubing it. Boss man, wild child with this great wave. Get on. So I'll have to go. Thank you there, boss man. Have a good day. I'm going to get on and out the way. E.F. Hutton said it. And I'm back quiet. And I ain't taking it back.
All right, good evening time to you, Mr. E.F. Hutton. Just wanted to jump in there and tell you I had the video rolling. Good evening time to you once again. Good evening, Wild Child. I heard you get in there, man, and you got in between them sheets. Mr. Wild Child, boss man in the bam, waving, breaker, breaker.
Hello, 91. Hello to you, 91. Get out of Wild Child, man. 91, Wild Child. Say you started all kinds of break. Roger, 91, man. I'll tell you what, you're blowing all kinds of good smoke in the Great Lakes. Have a real good day. 91, Wild Child, standing by.
Hey, Wild Child. Hey, Wild Child, boss man in the bam, waving, breaker, breaker.
And I hear you out there too, Audio Kid. Good evening to you. Hello, Audio Kid, Wild Child with the Great Lakes Wave.
Go. I don't guess I got Mother Nature up there to Wild Child. Hey, Wild Child, boss man, South Alabama, waving, breaker, breaker.
Hi, Audio Kid. Put out you later, man. Have a real good night. Audio Kid, Wild Child, got down.
Hey, Wild Child. Hey, Wild Child, boss man, South Alabama, waving, breaker, breaker.
Hey, boss man. Hello to you, big brother. You're sounding all kinds of good, man. Hello to you, my friend, boss man. Boss man in the future. Wild Child, wave.
Ain't no doubt, man. Good evening time to you. You sounding all kind of good down here. I thought you was in my front yard. Good evening time, man. You sounding 10-8 straight good in my hood. Keep on with the keeping on. Boss man, South Alabama, back out.
Drive, we will be looking. Boss man, your friend in the Great Lakes, in the cold Great Lakes, got down. Boss man, don't forget to say Detroit 004.
Hey, Detroit 004. Detroit 004, boss man, South Alabama, waving.
Roger that there, boss man. Detroit on the side. 004. Birmingham. Detroit said it. 004.
And we want to have no skin conditions around Michigan. Must don't have no skin conditions up here around that Michigan. 401-1. Stand by.
I think there's all kind of skip conditions up there around Michigan. Boss man waving, breaker, breaker.
Child said on in your radio, Boss Man, Wild Child in the Great Lakes, and I'm waving.
Yes, you are, Mr. Wild Child. Y'all check it out, man. It's going to be up on the tube in about 15 or so, 10 or 15. Give that thing a look, man. You get to see you stomping on all them imitators. And ain't but one originator. Boss Man, South Alabama got down.
Hey, Boss Man. Hey, Boss Man. That trashy tram making all kinds of good noise, man. You got a real good sounding big band radio. Big Boss Man. Oh, Wild Child in the Lakes got down. That can't get out and want to plug your ears.
That's a wannabe Browning with a wannabe radio operator. Boss Man out.
91. Hey, Boss Man, 411 around Michigan, stand by.
Hey, 411, good evening time to you. Boss Man in the BAM waving, breaker, breaker.
Hey, Boss Man, we'll wait right back to you. We'll be right back to you there, Boss Man. Say have a good night. 411, I'm by the side of the Great Lakes, and I'm standing by.
10-4, man, good evening time to you up there. Sounding real good in the BAM, no doubt. Check it out on YouTube in a little while, man. YouTube.com/Big Boss Man videos. And you can see and hear yourself live and proud and in color. Boss Man back on the mail. Man, I had a train wreck just then. I heard somebody in there hollering at Boss Man. Come on, Boss Man in the BAM waving.
South Detroit doing it like this. One more time, boss, around the BAM. I want to do it one more time. No. Hey, 000 South Detroit got down.
000, you getting all the way down. Good evening time to you, 000, Boss Man waving, breaker, breaker.
Come back and tell you, man, you blowing smoke and they ain't no joke. Hey, your friend, 000, a brother from another. Good evening out there, 161. Still got cheered by the speaker. Hello, 91 Birmingham. Dirty Bird, Detroit.
Hey, Dirty Bird. Hey, Dirty Bird, that's you doing all that keying up and playing all them crazy effects?
10-9.
Yeah, man. Good evening time to you up there, Boss Man in the BAM.
Gotta keep the locals on lockdown. Dirty Bird waving a wing from the mud. Motor City.
Well, I tell you what, Dirty Bird, you check out YouTube in a little bit and you get to see if you're doing the job or not. Mother Nature's good to you, sometimes it's not. Dirty Bird, Boss Man in the BAM, back out. Hey, F Hutton, that thing is youtube.com/Big Boss Man Videos. Break up, break up.
Off of Detroit doing it like this and like that and saying hello.
Give us that website.
Big Boss Man Videos. Big Boss Man Videos. youtube.com/Big Boss Man Videos.
I got that old big boss.
Alright, careful, I got it wrote down. Take it there, Big Boss Man. I'm gonna check it out in a little bit. F Hutton said it. Have a good day there, Big Boss Man.
Hey, boss, around the bam right there and that. Hey, 000 right there. Hey, we coming back one more time, am I?
All right, 000 F Hutton, get him to y'all up there, man. Y'all sounding good. I'm gonna get this gate posted up and let y'all check it out. Boss Man back on the mail.
Hey, no doubt about it. No pain, no strain like always in this one.